adding and subtracting fractions with unlike denominators is slightly different. We'll say 1/4 plus 3/6. Now, we can't add a fourth to a sixth, as we know from what we've been studying for the last few months in fractions. But we need to find a common denominator. So if you look at 4 and 6, well, we could use 24 because 4 times 6 is 24, but that will give us much larger fractions than needed. So I'm going to find the least common denominator, the LCD, or LCM, as some people call as well. So I'm going to multiply this by something to give me a new common denominator of 12, because that would be the least common denominator of 4 and 6. So I multiply this by 3 over 3, which would give me 3/12. This by 2 over 2, which would give me 6/12. Now I can add this, and I would get 9/12. I can simplify 9/12. I can divide this by 3 over 3, and I get a total of 3/4. So if I add 1/4 plus 3/6, I will end up with 9/12, and when that is simplified, it will be 3/4. This is all you have to do for adding and subtracting fractions with unlike denominators. You need to make the denominator the same. You need to look for the least common multiple. We've done that a whole lot in our first book, Bits and Pieces 1. So please go ahead and look very carefully at, if you are doing the worksheet, look at that. If you are doing the Tupelo Township Investigation PDF, please make sure that once you're working with it, you eventually get into like denominators.